We know that pollution and waste can have an impact on our environment and the climate. But have you ever wondered how we know this? And how looking at changes in the past tells us about what will happen in the future? National Museums Scotland collects lots of objects which show how lifestyles, work and choices have changed over time and how that has impacted our planet. Understanding the past through these objects can help us plan how to tackle the climate emergency. Objects like historic ships that explored the oceans, helping us to understand how shipping changed over time. National Museums Scotland has more than 300 model ships in the collection.
The clipper ship design really represents kind of the pinnacle of that sail power, that wind power. They represent the tipping point in technology from when wind power, which had dominated for centuries, gets overtaken by polluting power such as coal and then later diesel electric.
The National Museum of Flight tells the story of aviation, from early propeller planes to supersonic airliners. As air travel has become increasingly popular, there is a need to burn cleaner and more efficient fuels.
A lot of airlines and aircraft manufacturers are looking at ways to minimise that impact through cleaner burning fuels, such as things like this wax. It's produced by taking domestic refuse, so your bags of rubbish from your home, that would normally go into landfill. The fuel itself burns more cleanly than normal kerosene.
Pollution from cars is one of our biggest challenges. This has led to the development and mass construction of cleaner electric vehicles, with early autonomous vehicle prototypes in the museum collections.
The Lutz Pathfinder pod really demonstrates how we think the future is looking for road transport, the potential it has for impact on all areas of our lives, of how we travel.
As well as these advances in the way we travel, we must also tackle the huge global waste problem. Our Fashion and Style Gallery documents changing fashions up to the present day, including sustainable designs that address the issue of overproduction that sees more clothes ending up in landfill.
So at the National Museum of Scotland, we have around 50,000 items in our fashion and textile collection that date to the 14th century up to the present day. Fashion is one of the most polluting industries in the world. We need to consider who makes our clothes, where they are made, how much we're going to wear them, and whether we will continue to love them in years to come.
These objects from the past and present help us to see the benefits that technology has brought us, but also the need to use that to make cleaner choices to protect our planet.